In this video, I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So what you want to do is go into settings and then tap on Bluetooth. And first of all, ensure that Bluetooth is on and scanning for Bluetooth devices. So the next thing you want to do is place your Bluetooth headphones in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, different Bluetooth headphones have different ways to enter pairing mode. And for these particular ones, all you need to do is long press the power button until this light starts blinking. So press and hold to turn it on. And once it turns on, wait for a bit. And now, with the lights blinking like that, it's now in pairing mode. So simply go back to your phone and scan for Bluetooth devices once again. And as you can see, my Bluetooth headphones have been detected. So select your Bluetooth headphones like that, and then tap on pair to complete the process. And now your Bluetooth headphones have been connected to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra, and you can now start using them for music and consuming any other media. That's basically how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.